And here it is. 2014 Ford Explorer Sport Edition. Do a quick walk around. Doesn't have the Explorer emblem up front, but that's alright. Just got done test driving this and it was nice. I would have showed it to you the first time we saw it, but it was in the garage over there and then kind of bad lighting, so tell you what, it's nice, as you'll see right now.
Now, I do believe I heard a child yesterday, so you have 2 kids?
We have one. We have a 15-month-old daughter.
Okay.
Is this removable?
What's that?
Is that removable?
Yeah, you can remove
Okay,
this.
that's what.
Yeah. And this, these do have the inflatable seat belts in the back.
That's
So-
awesome.
I was like,
Yeah.
right. Got foot pedals too.
Yep.
Up and down.
Fancy.
That'll be helpful for you.
Yeah.
It is really nice for, like, women do love the adjustable pedals, so you don't have to sit so on top of the steering wheel.
What is that?
It's different. It's the
So that's
different modes for the 4-wheel drive.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
How do you engage? Is that how you engage the 4-wheel drive?
No, it's on all the time,
Also, it's okay.
and then you just adjust the road conditions.
Sweet.
Okay. See, I was wondering if it was all-wheel drive all the time, but everything I always saw for the Sport was four-wheel drive. It was four-wheel drive. I was like, okay, it doesn't mean it's all-wheel drive though. But that's good that it's all-wheel drive all the time. I like that. It's good for her, especially.
What's that supposed to mean?
He just doesn't
Just
want
means you
want
get a little
to get stuck
crazy
anywhere.
in the snow sometimes.
No, I do not.
Says the guardrail.
You know what? That black ice came out of nowhere, okay?
Black ice, there was like 2 inches of snow.
No, there was like a 1/4 inch of snow. It was icy. It was slick. There was a curve. Hence the guardrail.
It's really smooth. I haven't even touched all the little things you can do.
Oh, I can connect a phone.
Yeah, you can.
Yay.
That's good.
Yep, multiple phones, and then you can have, like, so if both of you have your phones connected, whoever's primary, you know, obviously that phone will sing first.
It's probably
Okay.
hers.
Oh, obviously. This is mine.
Yeah.
I'm not sharing.
Okay, I see it. I know it's kind of trivial, but I noticed that the turn signal, when you click it, it doesn't stay up or stay down. It just goes back to center.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was interesting. I've never actually seen it.
That's odd.
Drove in a vehicle.
That's gonna throw me probably.
It threw me for the first like 2 turns. I was like, this is weird. Left, center, right.
Center. And then we're going to make a left, and we're going to go past our dealership, the back of the dealership, because there's a little stretch there where if you want to speed a little bit.
Okay, that's fine. I'm kind of itching.
I can tell, that's why I'm like, yeah, we'll take them back there.
365 horsepower. I kind of want to, just use a little bit of it. It's quiet.
It is quiet. I'm so used to driving your truck.
Yeah, it's loud.
There's nothing quiet about that thing.
No? Oh, yeah, I want to make it louder.
No.
Yeah.
Don't.
I have to. I got a 5-inch turbo back in.
There you go. And like I said, do what you want.
Okay.
Oh,
inspected?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice. Got more horsepower in my truck. Right? 15.
The rain? Yeah,
Sure.
no.
There it is. It says 4-wheel drive. It's definitely all-wheel drive. And that 365 horse, that is nice. Ford Explorer Sport. Get another walk around real quick. Tell you what, this is one nice vehicle. She better be happy when I don't give her anything for Valentine's Day or Christmas the next 3 years. I'd like to thank Tracy here at Fuller Ford in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is definitely my wife's dream car, and definitely one of the cars that I would like to own, so I can buy it, so it's gonna be nice. Got anything to say about your new car?
I think I'm in love.
Think you're in love?
Yeah.
More in love than with me?
Well, no. But yeah, they're ready for us.
Okay.
Let's go pay for it.
Now to pay for it.
I sent that video to Maddie.
There's a decent amount of room back here.
Yeah.
Anything under there? Here's the zip. Part of a zipper. Looks like the spare's been used a couple times. At least once.
That's alright.
So you just missed it? I was sitting in the back seat. I couldn't figure out how to get this headrest down. And then I felt this cord and I pulled it. And it smacked me right in the face. Might have a black eye later, I don't know.
Your cheek's like a little red right
Yeah,
there.
I know. It's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little red like right
Let
here.
me just make it better. Mwah.
Oh, thank you.
You know.
What's the red one for?
I don't know, probably. Here it tells you, hun. Pull strap to lower headrest. Pull
Oh.
and hold strap 1 and push seat back forward. Pull and hold strap 2 to release seat. So the red one's to put it down, the black one's to pull it back up. But you have to pull it,
Interesting.
I think. Oh, I just got wet from leaning on the car.
That's interesting.
I can't get it back up now.
We'll get it later.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. We don't need the third one right now.
So what do we think about third row? Just kidding. That's definitely why she got it.
Yeah. Yep.
I feel like people stash stuff there.
Oh, my arm! Ow!
See, how'd you do that?
You have to pull the red one and pull the back one, the black one.
Hold that. Bam.
Oh!
That's how you do that.
Heck yes!
Ah.
Yeah, pull harder, hon, when you do it. Like faster. It totally smacked me, so I mean...
There we go. Took me a second, but I'm sure after we do it a few times, it'll
What's that?
be easier. They probably didn't fold this down when they cleaned it. That's right.
Is there a button for my hatch? There's a button! There's a button. I'm gonna push it. Oh, so fancy.
That is pretty nice.
So fancy.
Hoses on its own.
Oh.
Cup holders.
I am so in love, you guys. Like, I might love this more than my husband. No, I definitely don't, but...
Get an exhaust clip.
Oh, okay. It's so quiet. It's so quiet.
We might have to fix that later.
We might have to fix
Yeah, we might have to fix that.
Why? I kind of like that it runs really quiet.
Magnaflow catbacks.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll
You
see.
might be able to convince me. Maybe. We'll see.
Gotta look up some videos first.
Yeah. I can't believe this is mine. It's so, like, surreal. It's so surreal that, like, I own this. I've never owned anything so nice in my life besides our house.
I know you got a...
Huh?
I said not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all.
Are you happy I talked you into making sure you got a sport?
Yeah, I am.
Start
And
looking
it's
at
the color
limiteds
I
and
wanted.
platinums and stuff.
I would have been good with like a limited or a platinum, I think.
This is your dream car.
I
What's it
mean,
like to own your dream car at 22?
It's surreal, but I don't know if this is like my forever dream car. I mean, I really want a Mustang, but
You know what I mean. Your dream mom car.
my dream, it's nice. I'm really excited. I'm excited for Ray to be in it.
Me too.
It's gonna
I
be,
think she'll
it's
like
gonna be
this.
a lot easier to get her in and out, and when
Way
as she's
easier.
getting older, like it'll be easier for her to get in and out to go to stuff. Like
Yeah.
just drop her off real fast somewhere for soccer practice or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm
All right.
excited. I'm so happy.
And it fits 32-ounce Powerades. That's the
That's the
man,
deal,
that's
man,
the
right
selling
there.
point for me.
Yep.
Love my Powerades and Gatorades. 32
I love
ounce.
the moonroof. The double moonroof makes me so
Yes,
happy.
it's got a double moon roof. Right now they're
They're open.
closed.
No, they're open. I opened them.
She opened them. Okay. But it's nice. And then you can also pop them up too. You can actually open them when it's not raining.
Yeah, let's not open them. There's a bunch of
Yeah,
water
no,
on it right now.
we're not opening them right now.
Windshield wiper about got me.
Yeah. Well, you ready to go get something to eat?
I am starving.
To celebrate this wonderful victory of yours?
Yes. Oh, it's a celebratory meal now?
Why wouldn't it be? Silly.
Okay. Yeah.
You driving
I'm ready
there or
to
am I
eat.
driving there?
You are driving there until we get out of Cincinnati.
Okay.
Because not a fan of Cincinnati.
She's got anxiety. She doesn't like driving in tight spaces. And
Nope.
Stop and go traffic. I mean, I'm not a fan
like,
of it either, but.
I mean, like, Indy is growing on me because I'm getting more familiar with everywhere.
Oh yeah, I'm good with Indy. People
But,
know how to
like,
drive in Indy mostly.
Here, no, stinking way.
It's just stop and go with like absolutely no reasons to stop and go. So
All right,
right.
let's get the seat back a little bit.
So,
go get in the passenger seat.
let's go eat.
Starving. Let's go.
Yum yum. Well, that parking was atrocious.
Oh my goodness.
That was definitely something else. In Cincinnati still. You had to run up and over the curb to
After
get into
going
the
down
parking
there.
lot. And it was hard to describe. I'll try to show it to you later, but we're at a Taqueria Mercado. So hopefully we got some good stuff. It's not bad. You do some avocado, maybe a little bit more sour cream.
Mine could
It's a little dry, but it's not bad.
rice in it.
Doesn't look like it.
I was supposed to get rice.
No, you weren't. It doesn't
I
come with
asked
rice.
for rice.
Yep.
Well, you can ask for it now to the side and throw it on.
Well, I mean, if we're gonna pay for it,
But if you,
I'm full.
we'll just
so
look at
don't-
the receipt.
I'm full, so if it's not on the receipt, then I'm not worried about it.
If it is on the receipt,
Then if
they'll take it off.
they're taking it off, yeah.
So you said you're full. You're still eating.
I'll be full, hon. That's what I meant. I'm not gonna want rice.
Okay, sassy.
Yeah, I am sassy, and you love me.
It's all going in the video.
You're bad. do you have to do that to me?
Does it look like my head's made from a butt? I don't think it looks like it.
Really?
You know,
Really?
each their own, I guess.
Just don't film me shoving
Watch
my
the
face, food in my
beauty.
face.
You know, it's currently March 30th. It's officially spring. And you would think that would mean, you know, nice weather.
Look at the window.
We just picked the car up in Cincinnati and it was like, what,
57 degrees.
57 degrees. As soon as we get north of Indy, snow. Lots and lots of snow. Nothing but snow. And I don't even have anything to wipe the window off with. This is wonderful.
This is stupid.
Oh, great.
I hate this. I'm
All
so
right.
ready for warm weather.
Well, we're finally home, but we're gonna go ahead and go to my parents' house. This is actually the first time she's driven her own car
We already bought it.
in like, you know, 3+ hours we've had it. So, let me know how it feels when we get to the house, okay?
So far.
And then at the house we'll probably sign off. So
The brakes.
yeah, they're a little touchy.
They're so touchy. Oh my gosh, that's gonna take me forever to get used to.
They're not squishy like
And
your
so
crap
is-
car.
So is this
that you
turn
had.
signal thing. It's gonna.
No, the turn signal thing to me is pretty cool.
I mean, it's cool, but it's gonna throw me for the first few times I use it.
It really seems trivial, but the turn signal, it goes right back to the center after you click left or right, and then all you got to do is barely tap it either way, and it turns off. And in my opinion, I think that's better than actually having to move it. All right, well, we're here, so what's your first impression?
I love it.
Oh, I'm glad.
I'm so excited.
I love you.
It's so nice to not be driving my crappy little Pontiac that I've had since I was 16.
Yeah, it's definitely time for a change.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, you're having a good day.
I'm having a great day.
I'm having a great day.
But I'm ready to go hug my baby.
Well, you guys have a great day. And God bless.